growing the crops, making the beer, keeping the beer in perfect quality from cellar to glass. It's a craft. And the Avani team are proud to be part of this great industry. We're growing to support our many valued customers. And that means our team needs to grow too. One team, spread across Great Britain, but united by a common purpose: to raise the bar on beer quality.
So that one day, every pint forward is perfect.
We learn as we grow, and learning is a muscle which needs to be exercised. We grow in curiosity, taking our time over our craft. Perfect pints come from a perfect process, and we look to improve with new ideas and better ways of working. Are you curious to know more? To find out about a career at Avani Solutions, contact careers@avanisolutions.co.uk or visit our website to learn more.